So when our firm was awarded this project to work on, the most exciting thing for us, in addition to its large scale, was its location. I think it's one of the most premium locations in this part of town. And I think with this kind of visibility combined with an iconic architectural design, it should become one of the most memorable sought after addresses for the residences as well as for showrooms and for offices. You may have noticed that the building elevations are crafted with very intricate detailing. The regal entrance, gateway, the lobbies. These are designed to infuse the project with a sense of timeless luxury. So a sense of space and openness, good proportions of each room, every room with ample daylight and natural ventilation. These are to me the real luxuries of life, which we have really worked upon and emphasized in our design. Plot is a diamond shape. So unlike a usual square plot, which would have meant, parallelly placed buildings along the periphery of the plot, this shape of the plot of Imperio Towers, it actually gave rise to an interesting interface between buildings. So no two buildings are directly facing each other or at right angles even to each other. So it's really actually great for enhancing privacy. And the buildings are also so placed that distant views to the outside are also enabled. The amenities, which include a state-of-the-art gym, a mini theatre, a large banquet hall, a book cafe to unwind in, indoor games, spa, salon to get really pampered in. So there are dedicated play courts for boisterous, energetic play so that youngsters can have their own outdoor hangout space where they are not really looked at directly by the elders. Toddlers and senior citizens, they have a very safe vehicle-free zone for their recreation entertainment. These are all specifically curated and designed. To sum up, it has been a really demanding but certainly enjoyable and satisfying ideation and design process to create Imperio Towers. And now we look forward to working with the entire Miracle Group team in bringing this project from virtual to reality in the most exemplary way.